Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to explain about SetInterval in JavaScript. SetInterval is the method which is given by JavaScript Web API so that we can access this method directly inside the console wherever you want. Not only console, in the JS file directly you can call it. Why we go for SetInterval means SetInterval, if you want to use the first of all, just let me open. I want to show the syntax first. Let me open a new tab. Okay, inspect this one. Open the developer console window. Click on that one. Now go to my console. Okay, first, this method is coming from Web API or not? Web API or not? I want to check it. Is it right clearly given by the JavaScript people or not? Means see this. SetInterval is the method. It's like a function or not? See, it's a function or not. When you go with the SetInterval means if you want to perform one operation continuously, if you want to perform a set of statements you want to execute continuously, okay, in the time lag, okay, for each and every 5 seconds, I want to execute this statement. For a next 5 seconds, I want to execute this statement. Next 5 seconds, I want to execute this statement. Continuously, I want to execute that particular amount of time gaps. Okay, then you can go with the SetInterval. SetInterval method take how many arguments? Means say this here. It's take like 3 arguments: callback, okay, milliseconds, and one rest operator. What is this rest operator? I will tell. Callback function is going to take like a first argument. Okay, and the next one is like milliseconds. Just 1000 milliseconds is nothing but 1 second. 1 second. Now here you can write one message console.log of called or something. See this. For every 1 second, this callback method is going to call. Continuously it's going to call. See this. If I click on this one, this is called like a second, third, fourth, like for every second, this method is going to call or not. This callback method is going to call. Whatever the statements are there, that statements are executed or not. Okay, again, the SetInterval, if you observe here, it returns me what? One identity or not. ID, it's going to return. By using that ID, we can stop this interval. We can clear this interval. How we can clear? See, it's continuously is going. If I'm not stop manually, it is keep on going, infinite loops, infinite times it's going to run. If you want to clear that one, clear interval. Okay, what is my interval? 9 or not? So that 9 I want to clear it. If I clear this one, see, it's stopped or not. It's stopped or not. So my SetInterval is going to return me what? One ID is used to clear your interval or not. Now talk about the third argument. What is my third argument here? One rest operator. If you want to pass the data from this context to my callback method, okay, that one you can pass, that values you can pass like this. Any number of values you can pass. Same like set time code. Here, how we can get it means we can get like this. If you want to print, yeah, you can print that values. If you want to print, you can print that values here. See, for every 1 second, okay, you are passing these values to this particular callback. We are printing. Okay, now see this. Okay, the timer. This timer ID. Okay, interval ID, not timer. Interval ID. Now see this. It's calling or not. It's calling or not. Okay, if you want to clear that one, how you can clear it? Okay, you can clear by passing can. If I click on this one, yes, the timer stopped or not. It is the way it's going to work. Then you go for SetInterval means if you want to perform some operation continuously in a particular amount of time gap, then you can go with the SetInterval. SetInterval returns me one identity. Using that ID, we can clear that interval. My SetInterval third argument is like a rest operator. We can pass any number of arguments from this context to my callback function context. Like this, we can pass it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.